Presenting the Honda CB 160 Plus TACO TMC Dumont, a remarkable creation born in Brazil. Featuring striking 36-inch wheels, this bike turns heads with its Rolls-Royce Continental V6 engine, delivering a staggering 300 horsepower. Designed by Tarso Marcus, a former Formula One racer, this bike has garnered acclaim, winning numerous awards at exhibitions. While it pays tribute to the legendary Honda FUD 160, Marx envisions a modern version equipped with an electric motor, with a single charge enabling a range of 257 kilometers and speeds reaching up to 170 km. This concept promises a thrilling ride, potentially reshaping Honda's future endeavors.